1,500 students are studying and more than 3,000 students have passed out. The university aims to nurture and develop successful startups in the various fields like technology, design, pharmacy, health, science, business, and management. Swarnim Startup and Innovation University is the first of its kind university in India dedicated to promoting startup and entrepreneurship. The inspiring environment of the campus in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, along with Swarnim Incubation Center, allows students to explore, validate, and launch their business ideas. The university is hyperactive and leads from the front in all social causes. Our vision is to become a globally competent institution, imparting education based upon the foundation of innovation and entrepreneurship. The university has undertaken various initiatives to support the government, such as Vocal for Local campaign. In the university, we have built Women Entrepreneurship and Development Cell. We focus on building gender-sensitive campus, free from gender discrimination. WADC also focuses on the well-being of the teaching, non-teaching staff of the campus. We work on women empowerment, women rights, enhance skill that women entrepreneurs need for their own handholding. Our major focus areas are education, skill development, startups, employment, opportunities for women at large. We conduct Vocal for Local exhibition to support local vendors, webinars on mental health, breast cancer awareness, diabetes, gender equality, and so on. The cell also is 24/7 available for any grievances faced by females in the campus. As for today, we know that many businesses come in market every year. Women have entrepreneurial ambitions but have no support. So here we are with the experts of their respective fields joining us for this series. I'm sure all of us will take a lot of learnings back in our real life. Today we have with us guest of honor and felicitator Ms. Rajika Kacheria, who will be talking about branding and personality development. With 28 years of experience as cosmetologist and a nutrition planner, Ms. Rajika owns a wellness center in Ahmedabad, focusing on mind, body and soul treatment. Along with this, her passion for social work has given her recognition of an activist for women and child issues under the banner of SALT. Ms. Rajika is a recipient of numerous awards for her contribution. Currently, she is with Bharatiya Janata Party as a senior leader. Warm welcome, ma'am, from entire Swarnim Startup and Innovation University. Before we go ahead, I would like to invite Honorable MD Global and Women Entrepreneurship and Development Cell, Ms. Nikita Jain ma'am. Under her vision and guidance, we take such kind of innovative initiatives. Welcome you ma'am, Nikita ma'am.
Thank you very much, Arpita ma'am. First of all, good evening to everyone. I am Nikita Adi Jain, MD Global and Head of Women Entrepreneur and Development Cell. Welcome to Swarnim Startup and Innovation University. I warmly welcome to our guest of honors, Mrs. Ranjika Kacheria ma'am and Mrs. Tejal Vadaswara ma'am for being here at our university. I am sincerely welcoming you all here today for a special webinar which took the equal importance in everyone's life, which is branding and personality development. These are the two major topics which always required for your personal grooming, your confidence, behavior, how you present yourself in front of others, professionally, personally, both. Shortly, it's all your interpersonal behavior. Everyone has their way to represent which they feel they are perfect with. But somehow there inside, they have a feel like we are at some point lacking somewhere. So something seems missing at our end and we are lack at the point and moment. So for enhancing that personality, we are here for you continuing this special webinar. These are the major efforts Swarnim University is making for you for your brightening future. So I now request Mrs. Tejal ma'am to brief some more about this. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you, Arpita, for letting us know what Swarnim is all about. A very good evening to you all who are watching us and who are going to watch us. My name is Tejal Vasavda and I'm representing Indo-American Education Society's American Corner, which is an American library. We are located on CG Road. It's a heart of the city. This place is free and open for all. Anybody who's above 18 can become a member by just filling up a form, submitting an ID proof and a photograph. We don't charge. I repeat, it's free and open for all. Anyone can come and sit and read there, can borrow books. Besides, this place is a multifunctional space. So US government, US State Department has mission goals, and under the calendar of UN and US State Department, we organize 6 to 7 events a month. And the topics are English language promotion, women empowerment, entrepreneurship, environment, that hot topics like human trafficking, violence, gender-based violence and all. So we keep organizing events in a month. Please do like our Facebook page. It's American Corner Ahmedabad, and update yourself with the various events that we have offered to you. Also, this idea of coming up with this series, pandemic में हमने देखा कि बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब गंवानी पड़ी, तो क्या करें, तो हमने घर से कुछ शुरू किया. कुछ और हमारी बहनें थी, कुछ और हमारे भाई थे जिन्होंने घर से ऑलरेडी कुछ शुरू कर दिया था. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू जंप इनटू द फील्ड, है ना. सो हम बहुत सारा कुछ घर से कर रहे हैं, कोई छोटी जगह पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ चीज जो है हमें कहीं पे रोक रही है. तो we thought that why don't we come up with such advising words from expert from the industry who would tell you that कैसे ये जो gap है उसे हम कैसे bridge करें, उसको कैसे पूरा करें. सबसे पहले अगर आप confident हैं तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, है ना. अगर हमारे पास ऐसी कुछ सिचुएशन आ गई और हमें करना ही पड़ा तो वो चीज अलग है. लेकिन अगर हमारे पास भगवान की दया से सब कुछ ठीक है, फिर भी हमारी खुद की आइडेंटिटी है which always is needed, है ना. So always have your personality, always have that confidence and attitude, and कुछ करने की चाह हमेशा हमको आगे लेके जा रही है. यही हमारा जो एक मोटिव है ये 2 दिन के सीरीज के लिए, कि हम हमारी बहनें, हमारे जो भाई हमें सुनने वाले हैं, we can guide you a bit. ये पूरा कोई वर्कशॉप नहीं है, it's just a session that we are kind of covering, and Swarnim University is always there to handhold you in any manner. You are kind of stopping yourself. Do not do that. Get in touch with the team of Swarnim, and they are always there to help you. You can come to American Corner anytime, and I'm sure that we'll find some way out to work together for our own growth. With this, I have a very vivacious lady with us, Rajika ma'am. Rajika ma'am से मिलिएगा आप किसी दिन, जैसे पेंडेमिक खत्म होता है, वैक्सीन लग जाती है, तो आप किसी दिन मिलिएगा. you'll get that positivity. आपको ऑटोमेटिकली अगर रात को नींद नहीं आती है तो she tell you, and I can vouch for it. I can vouch for it. मुझे रात को 2-2, 3-3 बजे तक नींद नहीं आती थी. मैंने उनका एक अटेंड किया था, and I think भगवान की कृपा से I can sleep by 11:30, 12. अभी उनसे काफी सीखना बाकी है. So Rajika ma'am, I welcome you to this 2 days series. Thank you for accepting our invitation. You are not only our guest of honor, you are also a facilitator. So thank you so much for your time, and we really appreciate your readiness always, and that's really helping me. Thank you so much, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much First and foremost, Swarniyam की पूरी team जो है, Swarniyam University is actually putting this endeavor across for 2 days. Amazing. Hats off to you, salute. And I'm sure you'll all manage to do what your goals are and manage to have much more vibrant students across. American Corner, Tejal has always been a wonderful soul, a wonderful human being. I'm sure you can feel that across even when she was talking. Tejal has always been very nice, very kind to me, and I always love working with her. Thank you so much, Tejal, for having me on board. Arpita ma'am, Nikita ma'am, I'm meeting you for the first time, but I'm sure this will not be our last meeting. We have many stones more to go together on. I have a very interesting subject that I have been given, and both of them being my favorite. One, branding, and two, personality and grooming. So I'm not going to be showing you PPTs because I do not believe in PPTs. It makes one feel a very student teacher kind of a feeling. And I always feel that if one has to study, one should study from a friend. So I would like to be a friend with you all there and connect with you, because I'm going to make the session very simple. I'm going to make this session very non-technical, because you know, I've often seen when you want to follow things in life, the things that are already in your mind is what you really follow. You don't really keep referring to books. You don't really keep saying, "Arey wo mere ko padna padega fir se." Something which is like a formula or something like a recipe you would like to do. But if it is something you want to put into your life on a daily basis, then अगर वो दिमाग में उतर जाता है ना, जैसे खोपड़ी में अगर उतर जाए, तो चोपड़ी में अगर नहीं भी हो तो चलेगा. So let's utaro it in our khopris and avoid the chopris. But yes, I'm open to questions. Tejal will take them. You can always give me anything on questions. Feedback is something I always love. I'm very active on social media. I am on Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram. My ID is @RAJIKAKACHERIA. That's Rajika Kacheria. My phone number also, you can take it down. It's 9898063683. If I do not answer calls, I will get back to you. If I'm in a meeting, I may not pick up, but I am a people's person and I would always get back to you. So being on that note with all of you, I would like to start my session on branding. Now, branding as a whole, it is very simple. It's basically what people think about you, and what really is this brand name all about. That's very important, you know. Like, I'll give you an example. Branding means how your entire experience makes a person feel, and what is the type of action that you're trying to get to cultivate on your brand. I told you I'll get an example on this. Example is that of Sri Narendra Modi ji. I'm going to take him all along because he is definitely my favorite. And since I'm with BJP, it's a lot of inspiration that we all as Karyakartas derive from him. As you know, he was a very simple mind and simple-minded, simple-looking person. If you go back and see all his photographs, you can actually see, you know, the very simple Modi kurta that he came out with. He cut off his sleeves because he was washing his own kurtas, and he felt कि, you know, जब बाहें लंबे होंगी तो वो एनु यहाँ थी एने धो पड़े अने वधारे एने काम थाय. So he felt that, you know, I'll just cut off my sleeves so it's not going to get dirty. Now that kurta is actually being sold on a very large scale now, and it's called the Modi kurta. Okay, so he has made that as a brand, and he has created it as a brand. So coming back to our subject, what is really the thing that affects branding? First is we can hashtag it on consumer. So branding helps to capture the consumer's attention by affecting their buying decisions, pushing them to come back for more. Now, come back for more is very important, because कोई भी किसी का मामा, चाचा, काका, अंकल, आंटी नहीं होता है. अगर आप उसको डिलीवर नहीं करेंगे तो वो वापस आपके पास नहीं आएगा. It's as simple as that. That is part number one. And part number two is hashtag employees. Now, branding defines and derives your internal company culture, and it directly influences how the employees feel about working for you. Because remember, when somebody enters your organization, and when you see a peon or you see a secretary who really doesn't know much about or is very very confused about where the owner is concerned, or sometimes you ask them as to कहाँ है साहब, हाँ अभी तो आप बहुत ऊंचे से मत बोलना, साहब बोलेगा, आप आस्ते से बात करो. At once what do you know? अरे साहब बहुत कड़क है, इसका नेचर बबाली है, ये ऐसा ही है. So you have already made that decision before you're entering. This is how you have kind of you've developed a kind of a picture of that person who you've not even seen. But at the same time, if the secretary outside is standing and saying, you are probably a little late, and you say, मैं 5-1 minute late हूँ, कोई वांदो नहीं, मरी जैसे आपने. So what is the picture again that is there? Okay, the person is very acceptable. Yeah, you should have not been late in the first point, but since you are, so you are accepted, so it's okay. So the employee is giving you the picture of the management in a very very simple manner. So this is something that one has to always keep in mind. I often feel that employers are very very aggressive and hard on their employees, and they feel that मैं अगर boss attitude नहीं रखूंगा कि नहीं रखूंगी तो मेरे को वो kickback और वो मेरे को काम नहीं मिलेगा. But you cannot really demand respect. You have to command it. And as an employee, you have to learn how to command your respect. Yeah, don't be over pally. Don't put your hand on your employee's shoulder and say, "Chalo, apne har roz chai peete," because somewhere you're again missing out the line. But yeah, being nice, being considered, being someone who will listen to him or her in time of need is definitely what you need to project on. Now, what is branding and marketing? It's important to differentiate branding from marketing. Your brand is who you are, and your marketing efforts are how people find out about you. So branding is who you are as a company, what your value is, your overall strategy, what makes you unique, and how you are perceived by others. Marketing, on the other hand, is the action you take to accomplish your goals and build awareness for your brand. So these are two different things which you have to be very 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 clear upon. You cannot mix the two at all. Now, branding to build trust and attract buyers. So you have to grow a loyal customer base. A loyal customer base does not happen. I'll give you an example of myself. I'm a cosmetologist, and I've been in the business now for almost 29 years. I remember I started off very, very small. And when I did my first bridal, she actually washed her face in front of me. And her base was too much. And when she washed her face in front of me for 2 minutes, I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? But I restarted. And the second time when I did it on her, it was much better. And that's where I started my journey. Even when it comes to skin, you have to be very, very careful. When you're treating people with their skin and hair, you have to be very, very straight. You have to be very, very upfront. People, who come to you with a lot of wrinkles on their face, even at 60, and they want to look 20. Now, this is a problem somewhere. I can't really tell them that, but I do tell them that, see, you can retard aging by 5 to 10 years, but you cannot not age. ऐसा अमृत कहीं पर है नहीं, और शायद कहीं मिलने वाला भी नहीं है, unless you go into many, many surgeries, which really is not worth it. So when I'm talking about a loyal, when I'm talking about a loyal customer base, I tell them upfront, okay, your skin has X, Y, Z that can be possible. Beyond this, I don't think I can give you that dream that you come back with. It may be very hard for the person at the first go, but eventually he or she learns to trust me. Like they would come with their hair and say, humko straightening karni, and when I would check their hair quality, I know if I do a chemical treatment on their hair is going to be finished, and maybe they will have a lot of hair fall. So I say a no, and that no means I'm saying no to about a 10 to 15,000 rupees upfront right there. But that no, if they agree, great. They listen to me. They know that their hair is in a problem, because biryani loose motions ke pet mein nahi khai ja sakti. You have to have a healthy stomach if you want to eat biryani. So when they go out and they redo this with someone else, because they feel nahi sunna yaar, mujhe straighten karna hai baal, jaake karte hain, eventually it's not going to go well with them, and then they come back to me on repair. So I have made my money on repair, even though I would have lost a customer for straightening. So you see and overall, more importantly, I get a client who really trusts me. I get a loyal customer base. So coming back to a loyal customer base, and you have to build it, is the example which you will have to very, very slowly slowly do it. Very important point is be very truthful to them. Don't show them the stars if you can't give it to them. If you can give it to them, show them the stars. So that is point number one. But what really should you actually do in your branding activities? A few things that I'd like to share with you is maintain your visual identity and aesthetics. Now, like I am a clinic which is very earthy, which is a wellness setup. So I have a lot of wood. I have a lot of a lot of items that are getting back that wellness to me. Or if you even go to a cafe coffee day, or if you go to a coffee place, you will get the coffee aroma, which will tell you this is a coffee place. So you have to maintain that visual identity somewhere. Secondly is designing new creativities for your ads, website, product packaging, etc. See, product packaging is very, very important. I am very simple in my product packaging because I'm not an OTC. So I have to give my products, because I customize the products client to client. So I have to just see the client, package it and give it. So I'm not a market person where I'm selling in the market. So for me, packaging doesn't become important. But yes, people who are getting into packaging have to put in a lot of efforts when you're out there in the market. I can give you a lot of examples. You can see any brands that are like Forest Essentials. You can see Clinic. You can see so many product lines that spend a lot of money up there. So even now, toothpaste, shampoos, any cosmeceuticals, you see there's a huge amount of money going in packaging of cosmeceuticals because it's become part of our lives. Everybody wants to look pretty here. 6 to 60, 6 to 80, everyone wants to look nice. Everyone wants to be, like in the thing. So packaging does become important. Now, ensuring all actions reflect your brand value. Now, when I say all actions reflect your brand value, I mean to say is that if you are somebody who's dealing with coffee, make sure that whatever is your product line that you come up with, it is connected to your coffee brand, so that nowhere there's a disconnect. And in case you feel like diversifying, suppose you want to get into tea, then make sure that that line is again connected to that. So there is coffee and there's tea, but the story goes on that there is a coffee line and there's a tea line. Do not mix the two, because then there'll be a confusion in your customer's mind, not knowing which side to really go to. So that is a very important point there. Showcasing the company's values in all public facing interactions and doings. You can probably write down somewhere, or wherever your communication is. Like my emails, they definitely hold very good sayings which I believe in. So I would end my email with a saying, so that a person has something to take back home after my email reading too. So that's how I kind of end my email. So you can probably do that. Have a tagline that has a lot of meaning to it. That would definitely reflect something about you. Now, ensuring internal company culture which matches your brand value. I think I've discussed it earlier. You can connect it with the people who are working for you, because that is very important. Your employees, if happy, are always what would talk about your organization. Now, marketing and advertising activities like Facebook, Google, pay-per-click, PPC advertising, website blogs, social media content, relevant to your organization. When you're talking about social media content, you can't really have anything and everything up there. It has to be connected so that it leads up to what you want to sell and what you want to really brand up for yourself and your organization. Now, social media campaigns, when you build those campaigns, like I would love to take Narendra Modi ji's example again. I was in fact the information technology head of Gujarat at that time, when Narendra Modi ji was on the movement of CM to PM. He is still following me on Twitter, which is very, very a happy feeling for me. So what he really did with the social media was he branded himself as a leader, and people just started connecting. You look at his, he's one of the leaders who's most followed on social media, and whatever he shares is something which is relevant to the moment, is something that would connect you to him, because you feel he is relevant. You know, you just, I don't want to put other party people down. I would love to do that though, but I don't want to do it right now. But you see their comparative, you know, it's like the narrative that they are talking about is something that is so illogical to what Sri Narendra Modi ji is trying to talk in his applications. There is Narendra Modi application, you all can really get into it. It is all about him and what he's doing and how you can progress over there. So these are the methods through social media that you can actually start connecting with people, letting people understand you, because social media has to understand. Social media is also all about psychology, about mind, and somewhere you have to connect that as well with your work. Then the press releases and other media exposures also have to be connected. Email marketing, which is right now probably a little lesser, but yes, nonetheless, it's there. Then the SEOs, that is the search engine optimization. All these things are really important. Now, coming to another very, very small part about branding is your logos. We often feel कि यार मैं तो इतना creative हूँ, मैं अपना logo खुद बना लूँगा कि खुद बना लूँगी. Now that's where your mistake really happens, because people are there to make logos. You can spend a little money, and a logo is important because it actually talks about your brand. But it is totally about what a person would first look at and then reflect back upon. So a branding comes in exactly if your logo is right and how the logo is trying to talk about, you know, what you really want to talk about your product. Now, why is branding important? A good brand will make or break your company. Always remember that. Over here, I would like to give you a few very, very simple ways of branding. So branding sets the first impression, as I told you before. The old thumb rule is the first impression is made within the first 7 seconds of meeting somebody or seeing a website. Okay, that's how long it takes for a human to form a judgment. A study of the Princeton psychology department found it only takes 10th of a second for a person to judge if someone else is trustworthy or not. That's for human faces, for brands, or for whatever you say. So it's like 7 seconds or 10th of a second, and that's where you have to make your point, because if you really cannot convince somebody on that, I think then you have just about lost that entire thing. So being very truthful, being someone who reflects it straight on your face, all these things are very, very important. वो जो तेज होता है ना, वो तेज मुंह पर भी आना चाहिए, ताकि वो दिखे कि आप जो बोल रहे हो वो दिल से, सच्चे दिल से बोल रहे हो. अक्सर I've seen people who just smile. That's it. The smile is never from the heart, and you can you know, like at this moment you can make out that that's not a heart smile. So when you smile, it actually has to come into your eyes. So people are smart out there. Don't think you're the only intelligent person, you know. So you have to be working with your heart. That's very important. Now, branding allows for higher pricing. That's why you have to brand, right? Because you want to get a notch up. Amitabh Bachchan probably has created the biggest brand of himself. He's selling everything from hair oil to, you know, like bikes to jewelry to anything. Kaun banega crorepati? I mean, it's anything and everywhere. And the guy who's like so old can carry himself, and you actually look at him and you listen to him. You listen to him. When Amitabh Bachchan talks, you listen to the guy, because he has created a brand. So, and it's not been easy. It's not been easy at all, because if you study his graph, it's been an up and a down and an up and a down, but he's always worked up. So, कोशिश करने वाले की कभी हार नहीं होती. That's one of my favorite poems, written by his father, and it's a very, very nice poem. You should read it. Now, coming back to our branding, so I'll give you a very, very good example about bottled water, which is of a brand Aqua di Crystalline Tribute, which is a foreign brand. It sells for $3,600. Okay, this water, for a 750 ml bottle. ठीक है, 3,600 को 75 में डिवाइड कर दो, आपको इंडियन करेंसी मिल जाएगा. वो इन लोगों का ब्रांडिंग है. How on earth can they charge so much for water? कभी सोचा है? They have simply made their brand. Here's how the company justifies its price. You see, the water is a source of 3 different regions. 3 जगहों से इन्होंने पानी लाए हैं. कहाँ से लाए हैं? France, Fiji and Iceland. राम जाने सच में लाए कि नहीं, पर लाए हैं, ऐसा बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Second, the packaging is beautiful and luxurious, designed by the world-renowned Fernando, which makes, you know, when he makes an item, it's a collections item. That's how he's considered. And they also sprinkle a little, like each bottle contains 24 karat gold, and in some bottles 5 grams of gold they sprinkle also into the water as well. And of course, this is for a higher price. Okay, so this is like the bottle would surprise you, which is with little gold, is 60,000. That's the one which is made with all solid gold, 24 karat. Okay, not something that you would like to throw away or put in a recycling bin after you've had a sweaty workout or after you've drunk the water, because this is a collector's item. The point is that the brand is designed to be exclusive. It's not bottled water that's going to sell at Walmart for a $3 a dozen. You're not buying Aqua di Cristol Tribute for hydration. You're buying it for a status symbol. Okay, they have created a status symbol. So it's all about branding. And it works as a brand because that's what the rich people or the people who like to, you know, talk about branding, that's what they'll go for. And as long as there's a market that fits your product, a well-targeted brand will allow you to charge whatever you please. And that's how it works. Believe me, that is the formulation, and that's how it works. Now, the third very, very simple part of, again, branding is branding fuels customers' loyalties. Now, see, customer loyalty is very, very important. You have to have a customer that loves you so that he keeps coming back to you. मैंने पहले भी बोला था, चाचा, मामा, काका, कोई भी नहीं है. आप अगर हार्ड वर्क करते हो, वो वापस आएगा. अगर आप नहीं करते हो, तो जय राम जी की. It's as simple as that. Okay. So, why do people keep buying these iPhones? Let me give you an example. You want to buy an iPhone because you know it's a brand. Why are people standing there for buying their first iPhone and lines together and being, you know, the first 4 or the first 5 or first 11 to buy the product, which is so expensive? Because Apple knows how to convert their client and keep them. If you want to buy Apple accessories, you will only have to buy Apple accessories that works with the iOS. Otherwise, it will not be of any use to you. I mean, why would you buy an Apple Watch? You would buy an Apple phone. You would buy an Apple headphone only because you want to stay connected to that gadget of yours. And if you have to convert into an Android, believe me, it's very, very, very difficult because you have become a brand ambassador of Apple. So you see, you can just as simply as easily understand that for an example for this point. Now, I'll take you to the 4th point, which says branding fosters a company culture. Branding does more for your company than just selling products. It also is a powerful recruitment and an HR tool for you. People would like to come to you to work for you because they want to come and work for you. So company culture is a set of beliefs and values that all employees share. Your brand defines that. For an authentic brand, it needs to come from the inside out. Andar se bahar, dil se bahar. Employees need to feel it in their everyday work lives and be proud to work there. Why? Because employees talk. If your company says you value your people outward, but inside your company is like, you know, a mess with a lot of office politics, with backstabbing, with bitchiness, low morals, customers are definitely going to find out. Okay, no secrets are kept inside. No secrets are kept inside because people love to talk. And when people love to talk, it's about talk, and the voice is out. So, you know, you have to learn how to maintain that. If the boss has to have a lot of moral values, that's why now every university, of course, Modi government has made it very, very compulsory to have a women's cell. And I would salute this women's cell also that is functioning. I'm a member on a lot of women's cells, and believe me, they're very active and very functional, and it feels very proud. Why is all this happening? Is to make sure to give confidence to their women and their girls and their students that hum yahan hain aapke liye and don't worry. So that's a very, very big hand on your shoulder, and it really helps. So I'll give you an example. Fashion retailer Forever 21. I'm sure you've heard of this brand, Forever 21. We have it even here in Ahmedabad. May be known for its cheap, chic wear. Here it's a little expensive, but America and abroad, it's very, very reasonably priced. But they're also known as one of the worst companies to work for in America. Q. They've been hit with several lawsuits from former employees, including a class action in 2012 for detaining employees for extra hour without overtime pay and searching bags for stolen items. See, if you don't want your employees to carry things out, you can have a system where you put your things outside. So when they're going out, you're just scanning them physically and they're going out. You're not opening their bags and making them feel every day small. You see, हर रोज जब किसी का बैग आप खोल रहे हो, तो आप हर रोज उसको याद दिला रहे हो कि क्या आप चोर हो. So that's not a very good thing. And that's where they've lost a lot of people. Whereas alternatively, Hilton, I'm sure you all know the Hilton brand of hotels, has been ranked as the Fortune's best company to work for 2 years straight. They've been coming on the top charts on this. The hotel giant has been actively working to improve employees' benefits, including parental leaving policies and stock purchases, programs for all employees, from housekeeping to the CEO level people. And the CEO has purposefully done this. You see, he wants to make sure that everybody is part and parcel of this whole organization, saying we try to care for our people in the right way, so they will care. This is his words. For our customers, and how right he is. If you care for them, they care for the customers, and the customers gets you money, and that's how the whole system is running. So a very, very important point that was. Now, next I come up to branding boosts your marketing strategies. A cohesive and easily recognized brand's identity helps drive sales and marketing efforts. For example, if I'm very, very hungry, I don't have much money on hand, and I see a man on a bench, which is a joker, I know it's McDonald's. So it's as simple as that, you know. So identifying really helps drive the sales and marketing efforts. So for everything from ad creatives to social media posts to using visual elements. Visual elements was the joker of the McDonald's. Your customer will recognize immediately and make everything flow seamlessly. I'm hungry, I see the joker, I want to go, I will order inside, I will eat, and they'll get their money. As simple as that. What are you more likely to remember? An ad that uses familiar colors, an element for a brand that you've always seen before, or something completely new and unrelated to your knowledge of brand so far. Now, this is something that you'll have to play along with, you know. I remember jingles that say, Haldi Jaisa, you know, there's a cream that says, Aapki twacha, Haldi Jaisi, ye cream mein haldi hai, Handi, Chandan ka mishran. I've been hearing this ad like ever since I've been like, I don't know what age. So the minute I hear the thing, I know this is Vico turmeric Ayurvedic cream. So it's like that, you know, they're stuck on to the jingle. They've not even changed the jingle. I think people have come and gone and the jingle is the same. Even Lux, for that matter. They'll have the best actresses in the tub having a bath with that soap. और वो नहाती आ रही है एक्ट्रेसेस चेंज हो गया लेकिन वो कॉन्सेप्ट वही है वही सोप बार है वही लक्स है वही नहाना है और वही चीज है because they are getting back that same message. Lux is a beauty bar which will make you as beautiful as the heroine you see. So that's how they've got it, you know. Strategies, all these are different strategies. It comes down to trust also. Customers trust your brand through definite repetition. Like I said, the Lux and the different repetition that I gave you. Do they recognize you in a new a new strategy that is placed? Sometimes it doesn't work. It booms the other way. So you have to see what your client pulses and how it really works. Now, branding is important because not only it is what makes you that memorable impression on the consumer, but it also allows your customers and clients to know what to expect from your company. For example, if I know I'm going to buy Hindustan Lever, I know I'm going to get a brand, because Hindustan Lever will not play with just about anything. I can close my eyes and give the 2 rupees more, because I'll say, ठीक है ना यार, अच्छी कंपनी है, बड़ी कंपनी है, गलत नहीं हो पाएगा, इसमें गलत नहीं होगा, चलेगा, करेंगे ये. So that is what the company build up has done. Now the elements for branding, these are the key elements of branding that you must create in order to communicate who you are as a company, what you value, and how is your business perceived by your customer, employees, or other stakeholders. So this is an important part. Now, mission statement and brand values. Your mission statement and brand values serves as a compass for all the branding activities that you will help to clearly communicate to the world when your business purpose and the goals that you aim to achieve is in the long term. So that it all has to flow together. It cannot be like one is going Uttar, Dakshin, Purab, Paschim. That doesn't happen. So you have to have a brand story. A powerful brand story connects your audience emotionally to your brand and also should cover up how you are there. For example, you take the Nirma story, you know, that the owner was on a cycle and how he reached where he was. So, you know, you feel very, very close to Nirma, washing powder, Nirma, doodh ki safedi, and you know it's Nirma. So that's how they've like caught up with you, and how and why your business has started. So you have to give those highlights and what makes you so unique, and you know how your product or service benefits your customers. So this all is a package. Now, how do you brand the guideline? Branding guideline dictates what is it and isn't accept, and what is it going to be as an acceptability to your identity. It can cover things like how much you space, you know, your spacing of the logo, how you're carrying yourself, your font styles, your heading, what is the kind of advertisement you're going to take up, the rules, visuals, all this makes and encapsulates it. Now, your brand identity is how you're perceived by others. For example, you know, like the email, the MailChimp is known for that black and white color that they use. So it could be like the website, the social media channels, the graphics, whatever they're using, they're using that similar black and white color. Even Colgate, red and white, you know the combination. Oh, wo dur se dikhta hai, ye Colgate hai. So they've picked up a color and they've stuck to it. Now, even though you know, it's not about just one product. If you have many products, and you could also be the product, believe me. So you have to package it right. That's most important. Now, brand positioning. So importance is again of brand positioning. Where does your product or service fit in your market? Are you a big tick item, or are you a small impulse buy? Know where you fit in the market. That's very important. And how your product is different from your competitor. Price plays a very, very important part here. The higher the prices, the more persuasion is needed to get into a customer's mind. So pricing is very, very important. Now, brand equity. Your brand equity is the kind of like your whole brand is rolled up together. Simply, you can charge more when you have like you have high brand equity. All the efforts you put into your storytelling products, your quality of your products, the way you're talking to your clients, all this is encapsulated, and your brand equity is made. I'll give you an example for this. Suppose your house is worth like 1 crore, and you have paid something like every month you paid something like 20,000, you know, for 25 years. Over the years, as you're paying off, you're building an equity that will result in a nice profit when you will eventually sell it. So a brand is also similar. A brand works the same way. It literally builds the financial value in time. So you can take, I'll give you another example. It's like Coca-Cola. Suppose you're thirsty, and you are given 2 options, or Coke and something that you don't know of. You'll say, what do you want to have? You're thirsty. I'll have a Coke, because you know of the company. You know that, you know, when you're having Coke, you're sure of the cleanliness. You're sure of how clean it is. You're sure that the bottle is going to be, you know, not really contaminated. You're not going to fall sick. All these things, even without you thinking, it's all coming. It's all coming. It's all coming. So that's why you're just picking it up and saying, I'm going to buy Coke. So that's the equity they have made. So the reason you've picked it up is, you know, the 128 years of history that the equity built. And that is important. So of course, branding is a cash cow, which has to be done somewhere or the other. And there is no free money, there's no button. It just has to be built over and over again, and it takes a while to do that. So as I said, it's consistency. Keep your website, your social media, you yourself, your products, all have to be connected, all have to be together. It's like a mala you're wearing, you know. It'll just one bead here, one bead here, one bead here, it's not going to look nice. But the minute you string them together, whoa, you're going to look pretty. So that's how it is. You have to string all your beads together. The brand building process. Don't rush through branding. Don't think overnight you can become rich and famous. You can't. So take time off to develop your brand that will pay off in future. A successful branding process is divided into 3 parts. Brand strategies are there. So everything you brand, besides the visual look, feel, all this needs to be written down and strategized. So as I told you, these past things that I told you, all these are how you're going to be branding. Now, brand identity is anything that you can see, that is including your business logo, colors, fonts, the typographic fonts, visual elements. Branding, marketing includes all the actions you take to accomplish your goals and build awareness on your brand. You need branding to build trust, attract buyers, and grow a loyal customer base. I'm repeatedly saying that. I'm repeatedly saying that because this is something you will have to start doing day one when you all get into business. So when you start or you brand your business, start moving towards that direction. Define your brand purpose. So the step, as I told you, there are 3. Step number 1, define your brand's purpose, mission, and objective. To help you define your brand purpose, mission, and objective, you have to make sure you have those answers before other people are answering you on that. Why does your brand exist? That's one question. What does your brand stand for? How is it different from your competitors? What problems could you solve with this brand? I mean, is it so really important in somebody's life? Is it a luxury? Is it a necessity? Or is it just theek hai, agar hai, nahi hai, nahi hai? So these are what has to really come in. Now, the second most important is define your brand's target audience. Your brand needs to speak to the hearts of your target. So will this product solve my client's problem? Will I be answering his or her question? Their problems could be large or small, but whatever it is, your brand needs to address it head on. That's why you're there. Don't think, ye to yaar chota sa hai, chodo na yaar, kya karna hai isme, to it doesn't work. No, everything small makes something big. Little drops of water make the mighty ocean, little grains of sand make the desert land, and that's how it all works. So you also have to make it like that. Who are your ideal customers? How do you fit into the marketplace? Explore your target market, do research, and know your ideal customers inside out. The more you know about them, the easier it will be to find out and market them. So very important, and that really helps you move towards this. So let's say if you have a fitness studio, how are you going to place yourself? How are you going to place your daily strategies? Are you going to call them on a monthly basis? Would you like a 6-monthly basis? Would you like a year's basis? Strategize that, because that will help you where the growth is concerned. I think I still have time. Tejal, how much more do I go? I think I do have time, right? So creating a brand, a story, we know a brand story really is something that could catch a person. You see, you have to have a story that connects to the person. I'll give you an example of the Warby Parker's brand story. It's an excellent, it's an amazing example. The eyewear retailers, they started, they're basically, they make spectacles. So they categorize themselves as rebellious and on a mission to offer quality eyewear at affordable prices. Quality eyewear, affordable prices. They elaborate further by saying that the reason that these glasses should not be expensive, because the company that was really ruling the market had very expensive spectacles. So what do they do? And believe me, they're top sellers now. They strategize this to make people feel that you have to be with them because they're rebels. They're rebelling. They're saying that we want to break the market and we want to make things cheaper. So and So you want to be definitely part of that rebel group. And how do they have their logo? They say, we believe that buying glasses should be easy and fun. It should leave you happy and good looking with money in your pocket. They sold. So, and they're doing very well. Now a wind up would be that you have to study your competitors' brand. Don't think you're God's gift to mankind. Don't think तुम सभी बिल्कुल अच्छे और आपके अलावा कोई भी नहीं है. Please look at the others. Everyone knows their job, and everyone is trying to do their bit of business. So you need to do a little bit of market research, which is important. Again, I'm going to skip a little because we are running out of time. I'm going to skip about logos because I also want to cover personality development. You have to have a very authentic brand because authenticity is important. Don't try to copy because copies don't work out. So if you think you're a copy, original is always better. Nobody will go for you. And people don't want to call you Chinese. So let's not get into that. Again, identifying, what exactly you should be doing. I'll very quickly get into a conclusion of branding because I want to go very quickly with personality development. Branding is optional. 2021, your brand, in this year, how do you make yourself? How do you earn the trust so quickly? That's very, very important. Your image is important. What you speak to the people, that's important. The experience what they have is also important. Your brand is a powerful tool to connect you to people, to connect you to grow, and that's what will make them your clients eventually. So yeah, that's about branding. I will very quickly. Can I have some time for personality?
We have about 40 minutes.
Sorry?
We have about 40 minutes.
We have 40 minutes, right?
Yes.
We have 40 minutes more?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you all are not bored, and can I take questions on branding, because my next session is personality.
Let me see on Facebook if we have any questions. So Radhika मैम, एक क्वेश्चन ये था, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करती हूँ तो आता है कि अगर मुझे मेरा ब्रांड क्रिएट करना है या तो मुझे कुछ करना है तो मुझे महंगे लोगों की हेल्प चाहिए होगी, who are charging a lot and all. आपने बहुत इजी तरह से समझाया है, but still I would request if you could let them know that they can work, they can create their own logo, they can create their flyers, everything on their own. They don't need to spend a lot of money on kind of building a brand. कि overall जो एक agency होती है, I understand that PR agencies and advertising agencies are there, but वो एक अलग level के लिए है. हम छोटे-छोटे जो moms and pop shops हैं, उनके लिए आपका क्या suggestion है?
हाँ, so जैसे I told you, Tejal, that's a very important part that you've asked. आजकल हमारा फोन जो है ना वो बिल्कुल डेवलप हो गया है, तो हम फोन पर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. हम अपना पोस्टर बना सकते हैं. We can in fact also make different logos on it. We can do so many things that are really very, very easy to do. All we need is the different applications that are easily available. So ये बहुत easily कर सकते हैं. और अगर हम, जैसे मेरी दोस्त अगर पोस्टर बनाने में अच्छी है और मैं अगर ब्लॉग्स अच्छे लिख सकती हूँ, मैं ट्विटर पर अच्छी हूँ, तो somewhere a sharing also should take place, because आज अगर हमारे पास 5 उंगलियां हैं तो एक छोटी और एक बड़ी है, और वो बंद हो जाए तो एक मुट्ठी बनती है, तो एक strength together होती है. And if your friends, you should everyone pool in. ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि वो आगे चला जाएगा तो मैं क्या करूंगी, वो आगे चली जाएगी तो मैं क्या करूंगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर हम सब आगे जाएंगे तो हम सब एक साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे, वो भी एक सोच है. So you see, एक सकारात्मक सोच लेना बहुत जरूरी है. नकारात्मक सोच जब भी होती है वो आपको हमेशा नीचे ही लाएगी. तो आप बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो, आप बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो. जैसे तेजल ने बताया कि एक्चुअली मैं भी आज भी अपना सोशल मीडिया खुद ही हैंडल कर रही हूँ. I am handling my Twitter, I am handling my Facebook, I'm handling my Instagram. I'm doing it all myself, even my WhatsApp, and I'm on like a huge amount of groups. I'm on almost 200-250 groups, but I do handle it. But you see, you have to get down to doing it. कोई आपको प्लेट में पिरसेगा नहीं, या तो आपको पैसे डालने पड़ेंगे या आपको अपना समय डालना पड़ेगा. तो दोनों में से एक चीज आप डाल सकते हैं.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we can move on, Radhika ma'am.
किसी ने कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा क्या? सब इतने अच्छे ब्रांडिंग हो जाएंगे क्या?
सब लोग indeed very true, or they're liking the session, that I can read from the comments and all. So I think people are enjoying the way you are kind of taking it forward.
Thank you. ठीक है, तो अब हम because guys, I want everyone also to get their headphones. लास्ट में एक थोड़ा सा 5-6 मिनट का मेडिटेशन करेंगे, पूरा मन शांत कर देंगे, जिससे एटलीस्ट we'll make sure that we are doing your mind, body and soul is balanced before you can retain all that I spoke. So सब लोग जरूर एक headphones लेके आना by the time I end my session, because I would love to give you a little bit of meditation, which will be the sound healing. I'll be doing it with bowls, so you'll be listening to some very, very interesting meditation. I'm sure आपको पसंद आएगा. तो अब हम लोग अपने second segment में जाते हैं, which is personality development, जो मेरा by far बहुत ही favorite है, because when you see a person, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, it hardly takes a few seconds for you to decide कि क्या what is the impression of this person. और इसीलिए you have to be good from within. वो बहुत important है. You can sham outside कि मैं behave कर सकता हूँ, कि मैं behave कर सकती हूँ, कि मैं अच्छा हूँ, मैं अच्छी हूँ और मैं बहुत learned हूँ, लेकिन अगर इधर ये साफ नहीं होगा ना, तो वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगा. So somewhere to be a good human being is very, very important. And I have in fact started an application called India Promise. It's a goodness application. इसमें कुछ पैसा नहीं बनता है. It's only a goodness application. If you download it, what good of the day have you done? बस वही load करना है इस पर. और अगर आपने कुछ अच्छा लोड किया और दूसरे लोगों को अच्छा लगा है, तो वो भी कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए इंस्पायर होंगे. So this is an application which I have made. It's called India Promise. It's purely to spread goodness in people. अगर अच्छा देखोगे, अच्छा करोगे, अच्छा होगा, तो सब कुछ अच्छा लगेगा और अच्छी चीजें होने लगेंगी. I want you all to read a book called The Secret. उसमें पिक्चर भी है. The Secret HD में आप देखना. Hindi and English it's available in both of them. And this will actually tell you whatever you perceive, whatever you want, if you put it up there. I'm not going to say God. I believe in God, but many people may not believe in God. Many may be atheists. I don't want to argue on that. I respect your views. But agar aap shrishti mein, you put it in the universe, it actually starts manifesting in the whole way, and you have to see this movie to understand what I'm saying. It's called The Secret. Book bhi hai, wo bhi padh sakte ho, lekin zarur kijiyega. It'll make a huge difference into what you are. So that's one thing that I would love you all to do. Now, what exactly is, what exactly when we talk about personality development, ye personality development actually hai kya cheez? I mean, how do we really get into personality, and how do we change our personalities? So we all are different. हम सब individually बहुत अलग हैं एक दूसरे से. 2 आंखें, 1 नाक, 2 lips, 2 कान, हम सबके पास है. लेकिन we are different. We are different because we behave different to different situations. We respond differently to different situations. So we have to become a better version of what we are. That is what is personality development. ये नहीं कि मैं केशटू मुखर्जी हूँ, या मैं एक जोकर तरह बिहेव करता हूँ और सडनली मैं एक हीरो बनना चाहता हूँ. अगर आप जोकर हो तो आप जोकर में बहुत अच्छे हो, आप लोगों को हंसा रहे हो, आप लोगों के ऊपर एक स्माइल ला रहे हो. तो you have to understand where you are. You have to understand your strengths. So I want you all to also do something for yourself. It's called the SWOT analysis. It's you have to make this thing. It's like a chart. Square करना है. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. 4 चीजें लिख के you have to write down कि each one of you all, what segment do you have where and how? आपकी strength क्या है, ताकत क्या है, आपकी opportunities क्या है, what are the opportunities available for you? Could be your family money, that could be your opportunity. Could be a mama or kaka who's at a very, very high level, that's your opportunity. You can use it. So strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. What are the threats in your life? Could be that you are very scared of talking to people. Could be that you're not very good where communication skills are concerned. So you have to you first analyze what is your requirement, where you are minusing, because it's like, you are there, you cannot change totally, it's not possible, but you can improve yourself, you can become a much better version, new, improved. So that's where this always keeps coming, new, improve. So you have to keep progressing to that. And as you age, jaise jaise aap aage jate ho, you have to learn what it is that is lacking with you. Believe me, friends, one thing I've learned in my life's long run is ego is something that can actually get you down. Ahankar, अगर आप में अहंकार है, अगर आप में ego है, get ready for a lot of falls in life, because that will and that will get you down. So you should learn to take your ego and just throw it away, फेंक दो, दूर फेंक दो, क्योंकि वो आपको definitely नीचे ला रहा है. आपका गुस्सा, किसी भी चीज पर you are not able to analyze, you're very angry. ये angry young man या angry young woman जो है ना, ये सिर्फ पिक्चरों में अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन रियलिटी में आप अगर बैठ के करोगे, not many people will stick to you. आपके पेरेंट्स भी थक जाएंगे आपसे. So you see, you have to learn to be very logical, you have to learn to be taking, you have to learn to be giving, because it's only us human beings who can do all this. It's not everybody that can do all this. और ये चीज हम ही कर सकते हैं, तो क्यों ना करें. So you have to know that what it is that is getting your self-esteem down, what it is that is getting you angry, what it is that is making you the negative that you don't want. And believe me, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि ये negative है. गुस्सा आना positive नहीं है, ego रखना positive नहीं है, किसी के सामने झुकना या किसी को sorry बोलना negative नहीं है, ये आपका बड़ापन है. लेकिन वो करना भी पड़ता है somewhere, because you see often we feel के मैं क्यों करूं, मैं तो वो कर ही नहीं सकता हूं. So a few things that you have to, I'll very quickly put in some tips for you. So the first thing is, know you are incomparable. So you bring yourself always down yourself. You keep saying उसके पास ये है तो मेरे पास क्यों नहीं, उसके पास अगर एक गाड़ी है और मेरे पास सिर्फ बाइक है तो क्यों. क्या आपने किसी को साइकिल पर देखा है और सोचा है कि उसके पास साइकिल है या वो चल रहा है तो मैं तो बाइक पर हूं, तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है. सोच की बात है ना, आप कौन सी साइड से सोच रहे हो, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्लीज रिमेंबर, यहां मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि डू नॉट बी एम्बिशियस, बी एम्बिशियस, लेकिन उस एम्बिशन को अगर आप ऐसे सोचो कि मुझे कुछ भी करके एक गाड़ी लेनी है, मैं बैंक लूट लूंगा, मैं चोरी करूंगा, मैं कुछ भी करूंगा, लेकिन गाड़ी तो चाहिए, तो वो गलत है. हाँ, गाड़ी चाहिए, उसके लिए हार्ड वर्क करो, कुछ सालों तक वहां तक पहुंचो, और जो गाड़ी में वो पहली बार ड्राइव करने का मजा आएगा ना दोस्तों, वो चीज ही कुछ अलग है, वो करने जैसी है टू फील इट. जब आपको एक गाड़ी की चाबी हाथ में ऐसे ही मिल जाती है ना, तो उसकी कदर नहीं रहती. People have actually given all their wealth away because they don't want to keep money for their children. You see, because they don't want that fire dying in their children's stomach. अक्सर अगर मैं आपको भारत के राजाओं के बारे में बोलूंगी, तो वो राजा कहां से गायब हो गए सारे के सारे, क्योंकि जो उनके प्रिंस थे ना, उनको बहुत कुछ मिल गया, और उनको इतनी आसानी से मिल गया प्रिंसेस को और प्रिंसेसेस को कि द फायर डाइड. और कहीं पर जो घर का ब्राह्मण था, कहीं पर जो घर का रसोई बनाता था, कहीं पर जो सैनिक था, वो उसमें वो ड्राइव थी, और आज वो कहीं ज्यादा आगे बढ़ गया. सो पैसा एक मापदंड नहीं है, पैसा एक मापदंड नहीं है पर्सनालिटी का, प्लीज समझो. और ये भी मत समझो कि हर एक अमीर आदमी पर्सनालिटी वाला आदमी है. मैंने कुछ बहुत अमीर आदमियों को बहुत सैड भी देखा है. I would feel that, oh my God, this person, how can he be sitting there? But of course it's not my business to tell him, but वो दिल में विचार तो आता है. So you see, nobody should think like that about you. So money, paisa maapdand nahi hai. Don't please think that if you have money, you've got the personality. No, they're two different things, and you have to build your personality. Now, the second very important part here is you have to be kind to yourself, because as you've heard, charity begins at home. Agar aap apne aap ko, so we are actually not taught to be kind to ourselves. Many of us fail to be kind to ourselves. Studies show that self-compassion brings positive traits like optimism, extrovertism, wisdom, happiness, positivity, resilience. All these things come in. So this has been a research in Stanford University, and this is what it says. So you have to recognize that you deserve care and concern like anyone else, and that is why you must be kind and understanding to yourself. You have to love yourself. मैं मेरी फेवरेट हूं, मैं अपने आप को प्यार करती हूँ. अगर आप अपने आप को प्यार नहीं करोगे ना, तो आप में वो जज्बा नहीं रहेगा किसी और को प्यार करने का, क्योंकि आप अपने आप को प्यार नहीं करते हो. और दूसरा, इतना भी प्यार मत कर लो कि दूसरों को आप रोनते हुए चले जाओ कि बोलो कि मैं तो अपने आप को प्यार कर रहा हूं, मरो तुम लोग सब. वो भी नहीं हो सकता. कहीं पर एक बैलेंस जरूरी है, कहीं पर वो संतुलन बहुत जरूरी है कि आपने अपनी भी बात रखी है, लेकिन कहीं पर अगर आपको लगा है कि नहीं, कोई और भी वहीं पर इंपॉर्टेंट है, वहीं पर उसको भी प्यार देने जैसा है, तो दो. So, but that again will only come with some time. So recognizing that you're making mistakes, and if you're falling apart in life, don't be hard on yourself. If you've had failures, don't be hard on yourself. Be aware of your emotions and other people's emotions and feelings. Awareness. See, you have to be very, very aware. ये बहुत एक important part है. Self-compassion does not mean letting yourself off the hook. Rather, it means taking corrective actions without being self-critical. So, ये important part था for to be kind to yourself. The third important part, give some speech for imperfection. आपको पता है अमिताभ बच्चन की एक आंख छोटी और एक आंख बड़ी है. आपको पता है रेखा के पास आईब्रोज नहीं है, वो 3 घंटे लगाती है मेकअप करते 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 और फिर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल हो जाती है. आपको पता है शाहरुख खान के आईब्रोज एस शेप हैं, लेकिन जब वो ऐसे ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन करता है तो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं. सो यू सी, it's not about the imperfection. It's about how they are carrying themselves. People and situations always do not fit in your frame of perfection. Often that one makes, it could agitate you, make you angry, eventually giving you that negativity in your personality. So you have to find peace in your flaws. You have to even strive to make those changes. तो अगर कुछ नहीं सही है आप में, तो ठीक है ना. जो चीजें नहीं सही हैं उनको सही कर सकते हो. जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, SWOT एनालिसिस पर डाल दो, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड थ्रेट्स, और उसको फिर बैलेंस करने लगो. आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये मेरा माइनस है, ये मेरा प्लस है, और अगर माइनस है तो मुझे कैसे आगे जाना है, और अगर प्लस है तो मुझे आगे कैसे बढ़ने की दौड़ में ये मुझे मदद करेगा. It's as simple as that. The other point that I'd like to mention for personality, which is very, very important, is to be spontaneous. Everyone likes to be, around people who are spontaneous. बड़े boring, slow जैसे लोगों को लोग पसंद नहीं आता है, और इसीलिए मनमोहन सिंह पसंद लोगों को नहीं आया. ये कारण था. Because there was no reaction, there was no answer, he was a Prime Minister of India, and nobody liked him. Nobody even remembers him. So very, 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 very easy example. Look at Narendra Modi. Compare him. Vibrant, answerable, talkable, all the time speaking, all the time connecting. Whereas this man was so mute. He was almost like as if you were finding his remote. So you see, you have to learn how to be spontaneous. You have to learn that this is a very, very important key to success. So how do you be truly spontaneous? It has to again come from here. What you believe is what you say. हाँ, लोग देखो, मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं. People are very smart. If you just talk, they know that you're just talking. So when you feel and talk, people know that you are genuine. That's where that word genuine comes. So you always should be genuine rather than just be a mouth doing this. Now, be light in the mind and heart. Don't overthink, overanalyze. Neither let any negativity like shame, anger, ego, jealousy, or greed stay in your consciousness for long. Instead, learn to take it easy. Forgive easily. Drop grudges against people as soon as they pop up. be light in mind and heart, making you truly happy from within. And who does not like happy people? Have you ever seen a pretty sad woman, if or a pretty sad male? There is nothing called a pretty sad male and nothing called a pretty sad female, because there is nothing, you know, you will not attach to them. So to be nice, to be a personality that somebody would call, you know, vivacious, would love to be with, you have to be that. You have to be like-minded, you have to be softer, you have to forgive, you have to be accepting. You can't be one kadak bamboo and say ke nahi ye to aisa hi hona chahiye, maine bola na bas ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, तो तेल लेने जाओ, फिर करना काम अकेले और जीवन में रहना भी अकेले. लेट मी टेल यू, सोसाइटी, अगर आप अपने सोशल साइंस की 7th स्टैंडर्ड की बुक खोलोगे ना, तो सोसाइटी का क्या मीनिंग लिखा है? सोसाइटी इज व्हेन पीपल आर स्टेइंग टुगेदर कलेक्टिवली. अब कलेक्टिवली अगर आपको रहना है तो दूसरों का भी ऑप्शन, दूसरों का भी इनपुट लेना पड़ेगा. फिर आप मैं ही मैं बोलोगे ना तो फिर आप अकेले रह जाओगे, और अकेले कुछ बिजनेस भी नहीं होगा और कोई पैसा भी नहीं कमा पाओगे. So this is an important key here. Stay enthusiastic. जिसको बोलते हैं ना पेट में आग, अगर आपको उड़ना है तो sky is the limit. ये बहुत जरूरी है और ये आपको हर रोज आपके अंदर डालना पड़ेगा. You know, that want and desire, that fire in the belly. See, fire in the belly again is, it's giving ambitions, your ambitions, ambitious nature, your ambitious dreams a wing. Jaise I know you know, if you want to dream, don't sleep, dream when you're awake. This was said by our president Kalamji, and what a wonderful line, what a wonderful line. आपको अगर आप ड्रीम कर रहे हो ना, तो आपके ड्रीम आपको सोने नहीं देने चाहिए. ऐसे आप ड्रीम करो. आपके अगर ड्रीम है ना, वो आंखें खुली भी आपको देखना चाहिए कि आप वहां हो और आप वो कर रहे हो, तो वो ड्रीम आपका साकार होगा, तो आप वहां पर कहीं आगे बढ़ पाओगे. वरना फिर आपकी स्टोरी दूसरों की तरह ही होगी, या कहीं पर आप दुखी बैठे होगे और फिर वो मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस आपको मारेगा. यू हर्ड ऑफ मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस, राइट? जहां पर you know, you start getting depressed, you feel very unhappy, you're pulling yourself down, and a lot of people are going through it. Let me tell you, psychology, अगर आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट से बात करोगे ना, बहुत सारे पैसे जा रहे हैं वहां पर, क्योंकि लोगों का दिमाग का संतुलन नहीं रहा है. स्ट्रेस इतना बढ़ गया है. स्ट्रेस क्यों बढ़ा है? क्यों बढ़ा है आज की डेट में स्ट्रेस? क्यों? पहले काम नहीं था, पहले रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी, लेकिन अब जो हमारी भूख है ना, अब हमारी भूख हमारे पेट से ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. तकलीफ वो है, हम जितना पचना चाहिए उससे कहीं ज्यादा खाना चाहते हैं, और क्योंकि हम लोग ज्यादा खाना चाहते हैं, हम उसको पचा नहीं सकते, और उस कारण से स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. आई एम श्योर यू अंडरस्टूड माय कंपैरेटिव, and I hope that you don't get that line and ever go towards that path, because I've seen a lot of people come from the top to down because of this, the stress that has got them. Now, another very, very important part, you know, is you have to be warm and approachable. Abhi nature wise, personality wise, agar aap warm and approachable nahi ho, people will not link up to you. They will not like to be with you. They will not like to smile at you. They will not like to come to you. They will not like to be with you. And a lonely person is useless then, I think. Then, you know, if you've ever had a human birth, you should learn how to be with human beings. So be approachable, however rich you are, however big you are, whatever big name you have, be approachable. Because the minute you're not, if you cut off somewhere and have that ahankar, ego, मैं कुछ हूँ, आज मैं राज्यसभा मेंबर हूँ, तो मेरी तो कुर्सी है, मैं आने तो दो लोगों को, मैं I'll see, मेरे को किसी से नहीं मिलना है. Next elections you're out because you've not connected. और प्रजा को क्या चाहिए? People only want to be connected. उनका तो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं लाइफ में. लोगों का प्रॉब्लम गटर वाटर लाइट है ना, उससे ज्यादा तो क्या होगा? या रास्ता होगा, या एजुकेशन होगा, या छोटी मोटी दूसरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होगी. लेकिन अगर आप उस अहंकार में बैठो और बोलो ये मेरी कुर्सी है, जिस दिन वो कुर्सी 6 साल या 5 साल के बाद जाएगी, तो आप तो फिर वापस रास्ते पर आओगे और आप you're back again to square one. And then what will happen? So very, very important. Like I can take example of Narendra Modi ji. मन की बात में he's often saying, मुझे लिखो, मुझे लिखो, मुझे लिखो, आपकी बातें कहो, कुछ है तो get back to me. MyGov करके एक वेबसाइट है, उसमें आप लिखिए, बताइए. क्यों? क्योंकि he is understanding the communication, he is understanding. चाहे वो इस पूरे देश के प्रधानमंत्री क्यों नहीं है, लेकिन हर एक छोटा इंसान उनसे बात कर सकता है, वो एक्सेसिबल है. મેસેજ કેટલા સિમ્પલ હે. તો યુ ફીલ આ તો મારા નરેન્દ્ર મોદી, મારા ગુજરાતના નરેન્દ્ર મોદી છે, મારા ગુજરાત માટે તો સારું જ થશે ને. So you feel connected, which is very, very important, you know. And you have to be a very good communicator. So a very good line in Kannada, I would like to say, once I was there, I was reading it. It says that, you know, you can create laughter and you can also create enmity. It's as simple as that, communication. So a skillful communicator can win over people and also reverse the situation. So bring clarity in your communication, learn how to be a very, very excellent communicator. If for no rhyme or reason you're all the time very tight-lipped, कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बोलना ही नहीं है, स्माइल भी नहीं करना है, and you know you're that very tight-lipped person, nobody would like to talk to you. आपके अपने भी दौड़ जाएंगे आपसे, आपका हस्बैंड और वाइफ और स्पाउस भी बोलेगा यार इसको सुबह सुबह बात कर लेते हैं, पूरा दिन करेंगे नहीं, वो मैसेजिंग ही रहेगा कि जितना कम बात करो ना उतना अच्छा. So don't do that. Another very important thing that can be a tip for your personality is do things with style. स्टाइल का मतलब ये नहीं कि पैसे चाहिए, स्टाइल का मतलब ये बिल्कुल नहीं है कि आपको ब्रांड पहनना है. आप एक 200 रुपए की भी टी शर्ट अगर अच्छे से उसको कैरी कर सको और अच्छे से पहनो ना, तो वो किसी भी 1,500-2,500 के टी शर्ट की तरह उसको टक्कर दे सकती है. So it's not about money, and that is why guys, जो लेबल है ना वो अंदर की तरफ लगता है, अभी तक लेबल बाहर की तरफ लगा नहीं है. तो 2,500 का शर्ट है ना, वो अंदर ही पड़ा रहता है कि ये लेबल है. But if you can carry yourself well and you know how to carry yourself and you know how you are going to be, so that style is important. The secret of things is to be able to carry yourself, your persona totally. You know, you can wear your shirts, your pants, your saris, whatever you want, जो भी पहनना है पहनो, लेकिन उसको एक स्टाइल में पहनो, उसको एक तरीका होना चाहिए. You can have a style statement which will carry you a very, very long way. So like for example, जैसे मैं आपको वापस I'd like to get you to Narendra Modi ji. When you see him as a Rajneta, आप उनको देख लो for Kedarnath visits. You take him, you see him in Somnath visits. You see him in religious temple visits. उनका पूरा dressing जो है, it is very, very holy looking. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. He looks so you know, just there for that occasion. साफा होगा, and you know you're seeing that and you're fitting it all into it, which is very, very important. Yeah, you see him if he's going abroad, he's in a proper suit or pant with a good, you know, coat, and he'll have a muffler. Or if you see him in Siachen where he's with the military people, he's in the military attire, and you see him with his glares, and you know you see him with the military thing, and the military out there actually respects him because there was no Pradhan Mantri who ever went there to spend Diwali with them. अब आप सोचिए, जो मिलिट्री पर्सनल अपना पूरा जीवन आपके और मेरे सोने के लिए डाल रहे हैं, वहां पर खड़े होके रोज दर रोज वो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस जो है ना, इट्स आप सोच भी नहीं सकते ऐसे टेरेबल है. या फिर आप कश्मीर के सरहद की बात करें, या आप पाकिस्तान या चाइना का कोई भी बॉर्डर ले लें, और वहां पर जो हमारे सोल्जर्स खड़े होके आपकी और मेरी रोज की नींद दे रहे हैं ना, वो हम लोग शायद हर रोज भी थैंक यू करें ना तो वो इनफ नहीं होगा. लेकिन ये प्रधानमंत्री दिवाली को हर साल वहां जाके समय बिताते हैं. उनको कितना अच्छा लगता होगा. पैसा तो मिल रहा है ना फाइटिंग के लिए, पैसा तो एक कंपनी में भी बैठ के एक सीईओ को भी मिलता है, पर क्या वो झगड़ने जाता है? क्या वो आपको और मेरे को, आपकी और मेरी नींद देता है? द आंसर इज नो. वो अंदर की आग वहां तक नहीं जगती है जो इन सेना वाले मिलिट्री के पर्सनल के हैं, नेवी है या आप एयरफोर्स ले लीजिए. So you see, it's that connecting, it's that branding, it's that wanting to make them do something for your country. So that is something that has to be also done for you. आपको तो बहुत बड़ा नहीं सोचना है, आपको तो बहुत छोटा सा सोचना है. आपके अगर एक भी एम्प्लॉय है या 2 एम्प्लॉय है, उसके साथ कनेक्ट करो ना, उसको एक एकता का फीलिंग दो, लेकिन कहीं पर ड्रॉ भी करो लाइन के, you have to work, otherwise you're not going to be there. So you know that kind of a line has to be drawn. Now learn to let go. Another very important point for personality development is, after you've done with the task and you know you've got attached with the result, When you let go, you become free, calm, and relaxed, and that attributes to a very, very strong personality. अक्सर हम में वो let go of का क्वालिटी नहीं रहती है, हम वहीं पर अटके रहते हैं. अगर हमने एक सीईओ की पोजीशन ली है ना, तो हमको अगले कंपनी में पैसा शायद थोड़ा सा कम मिले, लेकिन सीईओ तो चाहिए. ये भूल है, ये भूल है. अगर आपको एक लेवल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का मिलता है, पैसे अच्छे मिल रहे हैं, देखो यहाँ पर अगेन यू हैव टू डिसाइड वेयर इन लाइफ यू हैव टू गो, व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी. See, please understand what I'm trying to tell you. If money is what is going to make you important, then step down and become the vice president. But if you feel कि नहीं, मुझे खुशी जो मिलेगी ना वो काम करने में मिलेगी, मुझे खुशी जो मिलेगी वो इस कुर्सी पर ये करने से मिलेगी, then अगर कुछ पैसे जाने भी देने हैं ना, तो जाने देने का. Because वो खुशी, वो internal happiness बहुत जरूरी है. I don't want to get philosophical, लेकिन दोस्तों अगर हम जीवन की पूरी रेखा देखें तो ऊपर तो अकाउंट बना नहीं है ना, ऊपर तो हम खुशी के साथ ही जाते हैं. आज तक जब भी कोई मरता है तो ऐसा तो नहीं बोलते ना कि इसके 2 मर्सिडीज थे, 50 घर थे, इसके पास एक बहुत इतना सोना था, इतना सब था. वो इतना ही बोलेंगे. एक लाइन होती है, अच्छा आदमी था, अच्छा आदमी था. ये अच्छा बना कैसा? सो अच्छा बनने के लिए अच्छाई करनी भी पड़ेगी ना, तो आपको जाके कनेक्ट करेगा कहीं पर. नहीं तो लोग बोलेंगे यार ठीक हुआ, एक इंसान और कम हुआ ना इस पूरे धरती से, अच्छा ही हुआ. फिर वो अच्छा कहीं और यूज हो जाएगा. So see, you have to decide which slotting you have to get into, because eventually we will go, and when we go we have to have a very good, we have to be nice when we go. I don't want to get philosophical. तो ये स्टोरी यहीं एंड करते हैं, लेकिन आई एम श्योर आप लोग स्मार्ट इनफ हो, समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. पर वो पर्सनालिटी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. So learning to let go is important. Another very important point is be a lion in the face of danger. Don't give in to pressure and face every challenge saying, "Arey, main kar paunga ke main kar paungi." Don't do that. Be confident. Put your foot forward and say, "Yes, I am going to manage. Yes, I will try. And yes, I will be successful." Not with an ego, but with a compassion that you will be successful. Because ego अगर आ गया ना, तो आप किसी की बात सुनोगे नहीं. अगर बेचारा आपको बोल भी रहा है how to be successful, आप सुनोगे नहीं, because मने बद्दू आवड़े छे, MBA, उसमें तो फिर वो सांप सीढ़ी की तरह जो लास्ट वाला 99 वाला जो सांप है ना, टक करके जो टिक 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 नीचे आ जाते हो, वो हो जाएगा आपसे. So I'm sure you will not like to do it either. So you have to really, learn how to reach there, learn how to face dangers, because every day is not the same. The only thing in our lives that is certain is that it is uncertain. कल क्या होने वाला है किसको पता. 26 जनवरी में ध्वजवंदन होता है. कुछ साल पहले तो अर्थक्वेक भी हुआ था. क्या आपने को पता था? हम तो सब बहुत श्योरली लेके बैठे हैं कि ये कल जाएंगे तो होगा ही. अगर वो होगा ही नहीं तो क्या कर लोगे? एक ताकत है, वो खुद की स्ट्रेंथ है, वो एक ताकत है, वो खुद का आपके पास the commitment and the strength that you hold within is all that you have. इसीलिए कहीं पर बोला जाता है कि एजुकेशन कोई चोर नहीं चोरी कर सकता. पैसे, प्रॉपर्टी, सोना, चांदी सब चोरी हो सकती है, लेकिन एजुकेशन वो कभी चोरी नहीं हो सकती. That is why it's very, very good to be educated. So you all are on a right path. Now, another very, very important thing is to stay calm in situations. अभी ये calmness हम लोग situation में कैसे कर सकते हैं? You see, calmness is difficult to stay calm in a situation. So you have to learn how to get that inside. You have to start doing yoga. You have to do exercising. You have to do workouts. You have to eat right. आपने अगर सुना होगा, what you eat is what you are. It's very, very important. क्योंकि जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. ये बहुत ही पुराना एक कहावत है, लेकिन believe me, आप जो खाते हो ना वैसे ही होते हो. तो अगर आप ठीक से खाओगे, अगर आप अपनी खुराक अच्छी रखोगे, अगर आप एक बैलेंस डाइट रखोगे, आप चिप्स और ये सब नूडल्स और बर्गर्स नहीं खाओगे ना, तो अच्छा रहेगा. I know you all like it, लेकिन बहुत नहीं खाना, because that will affect you as a person, and that will definitely get you into your body metabolism that will not suit what you want to be. So वो बहुत important है. And last but not the least, क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी 10 मिनट बचे हैं, मेरे को थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी लेना है, अगर है तो. Remember that you are a proton. You know, proton and neutron, you're a proton. A proton can never lose its positivity, nor can you. Stress may affect us on the outside. However, your inner core continues to radiate positivity like a proton, which you are. It stays unaffected, happy, and peaceful. Tune into this part of yourself again and again and again, and with the help of, you know, your mental state. It's a wellness, it's a mind, body, and soul concept. When you have the exact correct Rubik's cube of a mind, body, and soul, the process of energizing and bringing up a great individual, that is you. You are a great individual, and believe me, you have to believe it. Nothing can stop you, or nowhere can there be a full stop. So I salute you, and I'm sure you will have a wonderful growth, and you can keep connected. I am here. You have my number. I'll repeat it. It's 98980-63683. I'd like to take you in a small meditation. So first we'll do question answers, and then I'll take you for a meditation. In the meditation, I want you to close your eyes. I'm available on social media. My social media account on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram is @RajikaKaCheria. That's Rajika Kacheria. So Tejal, any questions, please?
Questions coming is how important personality is. That's what I don't know what exactly is the question, but I think what they are asking is that सब जगह पे personality होनी जरूरी है कि नहीं?
सब जगह personality होनी जरूरी. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what I understand from the top. Question is like how important personality is always.
It is important because अगर आपको किसी का सुनना है, मैं पिछले 1.5 घंटे से बोल रही हूँ, अगर मैं अच्छे से नहीं बोलती ना तो आप नहीं सुनते, वो पक्की बात. तो see, I've held your attention. हाँ, किसी का मैंने attention hold नहीं किया because I'm seeing some Facebook comment जो मुझे good morning कर रहा है, वो इंसान अभी उठा होगा. But good evening है, लेकिन चलेगा. So you see, but they're all listening, they're at it, right? Thumbs up मिल रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है. I'm watching the Facebook also. So you have to be connected. And as I told you, if somebody wants to buy from you, someone has to believe in you. If somebody has to pay you money, क्यों कोई पैसा देगा आपको if they don't like you as a personality? क्यों कोई पैसा देगा आपको या आपके पास business करने आएगा अगर उनको लगता है कि you know, you're not the right kind of person they should deal with? अगर आप एकदम you know काला सा मुंह करके एकदम ब्लैक काजल डाल के आंख ऐसे बंद करके 2-3 दांत काट तोड़ के जाओ उनके पास और बोलो मैं बिजनेस करने आया हूं, आपको बिजनेस नहीं मिलेगा. So you have to groom yourself to there. जी.
Okay. One question is that how dressing is important.
Dressing is important, as I told you that.
I think very basic questions. I think these are very.
Dressing is important, दोस्तों, because देखो dressing आपको इसीलिए अच्छा से करना चाहिए because अगर आप अपने आप को नहीं अच्छे से कैरी कर पाओगे तो वो विजुअल इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा ना. अगर आप एक बीच पर हो तो बीच के कपड़े पहनोगे, लेकिन अगर आप एक मीटिंग रूम में हो और आपने कहीं पर बीच के कपड़े पहन लिए ना तो आपको कोई सीरियसली लेगा नहीं. उनको लगेगा कि आपका दिमाग अभी भी बीच में ही है. So
सीधी बात है, अगर आप कोई शादी में जाते हैं, हम लोग कैसे कमेंट करते हैं कि આ તો કેવી સાડી પહેરીને આવી ગઈ છે, એની પાસે છે નહીં સાડી, ના મને ખબર છે એની પાસે બહુ બધી સાડીઓ છે પણ એ જો આવી પહેરીને આવી ગઈ છે. So it makes lot of difference. जैसे कि राजिका मैम ने बोला कि आपका पैकेजिंग, आपका ब्रांडिंग जो मैटर करता है, कि आज अगर लक्स की उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात करी, वैसे ही आपकी बात है कि तेजल हमेशा ओवर ड्रेस्ड रहती है. मुझे सिर्फ बहुत सारी लोगों ने सीधी तो कमेंट नहीं करी है बट आता है बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू गुड टू गो टाइम्स, यू नो. सो अगर मैं ऑफिस भी आती हूँ तो आई एम विद माय लाइनर, आई एम विद माय लिपस्टिक एंड ऑल, व्हेन बिकॉज आई नो दैट अगर आज कुछ रजिका मैम मिलने आ गई कि कोई मिलने आ गया तो आई हैव टू represent not only myself but my company also. So starting from your dressing, from your overall little outlook makes a lot of difference. And जब हम नॉर्थ की बात करते हैं कि नॉर्थ की लेडीज हमेशा लिपस्टिक करके रेडी होती है, अगर वो बच्चे को छोड़ने भी आती है स्कूल बस तक तो भी दे आर ऑल सेट, एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे नाइट गाउन में चले जाते हैं। उसमें किसी की गलती नहीं है, आई डोंट ब्लेम यू फॉर दिस, बट आई थिंक जो पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग है मेक्स लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। यू नो, राधिका मैम का मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग याद है, उसके बाद मैंने अपने आप पे काम करना शुरू कर दिया है कि नेल पॉलिश कभी भी अधूरी मत रखो, या तो पूरी करो या तो निकाल दो, नेल पेंट रिमूवर साथ में ही रखो। एंड उस दिन से मेरे पर्स में नेल पेंट रिमूवर का वो डब्बी आती है ना, निकालने के लिए रेडी होती हूँ मैं कि अगर थोड़ी सी भी निकल गई है नेल पेंट तो उसको निकाल दो। प्लीज डोंट कैरी ऑन विथ this
half done nails.
Half done nails. Please don't do this. So yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense and makes a lot of difference in overall personality. I think your dressing, your personal grooming, the way you walk, your shoes. I think shoes is the what say Rajika ma'am?
Absolutely. Tejal, today I didn't take the clothes part of it because
yeah, I know.
मुझे लगा कि because online it gets a little difficult because how many viewers there are and how many boys, how many girls, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया. So I've kept a very general session.
Yes.
Of course, when we are live, it's a different thing because you know what your crowd is, so you can change it accordingly. So
Absolutely.
I've not covered clothes, but yeah, कभी फिर जीवन में मिलना हुआ तो जरूर करेंगे.
Inshallah, definitely soon. Great. So, ma'am, I think let's carry on with meditation. I think let's do this.
Yeah, we have a little bit. I'm sure you all would like to do it, or a comfortable place में बैठना पड़ेगा because you definitely have to be comfortable while meditating. Make sure that you have taken out something that is biting you. अगर बहुत सारी heavy jewelry पहनी हो तो वो निकाल देना. चश्मा निकाल सकते हो. अगर eyes पर आपको बाहर लग रहा है तो just when you will close your eyes you will actually feel very peaceful. अगर males हैं तो belt निकाल दीजिए. आप एक बहुत कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन पर बैठ जाइए या लाई डाउन कीजिए, जो भी आपको व्यवस्था अच्छे से मिले. हेडफोन्स पहन लीजिए because when you wear headphones you close yourself to the entire outside world and you are in your just world within. हम आंखें बंद करेंगे और एक deep breath लेंगे. We take a deep breath in, which will be from our stomach. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a deep breath in once again. 1, 2, 3, and deep breath out. 1, 2, 3. I relax my feet, and my feet are relaxed. I relax my ankles, and my ankles are relaxed. I relax my knees, and my knees are relaxed. I relax my hips, and my hips are relaxed. I relax my stomach, and my stomach is relaxed. I relax my chest, and my chest is relaxed. I relax my shoulders and my hands. And my hands and shoulders are relaxed. My face is relaxed. And my mind is relaxed. Thoughts may come and thoughts may go, but do not attach yourself on any thought. No thought can hold your mind. Deep breath in and deep breath out. आप विजुलाइज कीजिए कि आप बहुत खुश हैं। आप विजुलाइज कीजिए कि आप बहुत कंप्लीट हैं। आप विजुलाइज कीजिए कि आपको जो जो चीजें जीवन में चाहिए थी वो धीमे 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 मिल रही हैं। आप बहुत खुश हैं। आपका परिवार बहुत खुश है। Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the vibrations and feel the happiness that flows towards you. Deep breath in and deep breath out. In this beautiful feeling of completeness, in this beautiful feeling of achieving that you are the best, in this beautiful feeling that you are positive, let's slowly come back to where we are. Moving your hands and feet gently and making sure that you are completely happy, you are completely balanced. Nothing or no one can make you unhappy or unstabilize your mind. You will come back consciously and rub your palms together, making them warm and cupping them to your eyes. Feel the lovely warmth and being happy where you are, being satisfied where you are with a lot of positivity. Hari Om Tat Sat. It was beautiful practicing with you. It was beautiful being with you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Tejal ma'am, thank you so much, Swarniam University, for having me. And thank you so much for you all too for participating and being part and parcel for this lovely talk that we had. Do stay in touch. Thank you once again, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for being here at Swarnim University. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wow, this was amazing. I guess I always go somewhere else whenever I'm doing this meditation with you. Thank you so very much, Radhika ma'am. Arpita, over to you.
Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.
As you said, ma'am, powerful positive affirmations and visualization is a technique and process. By that, you can achieve whatever you want in life and you can be happy. So true. And this meditation is really beautiful, divine feeling and really feel good factor. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank you for enlightening us with our knowledge The session was full of knowledge and interesting things. It gives deep insights into the subject. I would also like to thank American Corner as an association. We are looking forward to another session tomorrow. Thank you so much, Tejal ma'am. Thank you so much, Rajika ma'am, for wonderful and insightful session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.